That's what friends are for. Kahit maputi ng bako, later, sige, after ng that's what friends are for. Favorite ko yun. Oh, sige.
Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say.
Favorite ko yun. Lagi kong kinakanta yan as in. Gusto nyo kantahin ko ngayon eh, para
Just couldn't
mulan, di ba? Favorite ko. Ano ako old song guys eh. Carpenters, ganon. Ay, wag na. Ikakasira ko yan.
In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you.
Ay, oo, naririnig ko to.
I would be lying if
Hindi ko siya
I
kabisado.
said that I live this life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time.
Hi, Marty
My
here.
heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know.
Naririnig ko. Pero di ko siya kabisado.
Way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it.
Ayun o, dire-diretso na yung kanta na to. Na parang related na.
There was
Way
something about that
through the
kiss,
years.
girl, it did me in. Got me thinking,
Wait lang.
I'm thinking. All of the things that
Bakit
I've been
eh?
feeling. It's time you hear it.
Si Ken Kepa.
In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you.
Kantami yan ka ako
I would
nene.
be
Ganda-ganda kanta
lying
mo.
if I said that I could live this life without you, even though I don't tell you all the
Iyak
time.
siya.
You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you had all of me. I belong to you. Yeah, you're my everything. In case you didn't know,
Wow, skip mo na.
crazy about you.
Ay, yari-yari tayo.
I would be lying if I said
Pero
that.
sige, pakiramdaman ko mo ulit. Thank you, Ada. Ako, Pesa.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance
Ganda ng music, di ba?
that I do believe I love you.
Gusto niyo pumangin? Sasabayan ko.
I should ever go away. Well, then close your eyes and try. Feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember,
Alala ko si Tamay, low-bat. Low-bat yung mic.
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
Pag gantong oras, dito ako nagla-live. Pero pag 12, nasa baba. Nakatayo ako doon pag nagla-live ako. Kasi natutulog dito yung pinsan ko. Tag-isa kami ng bed dito. The Flame. The Flame or The Flame? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, request ni Arky next.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so, by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we were apart. Well, then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, keep smiling, keep shining.
Welcome,
Knowing
Arky.
you can always count on me. For sure,
Hi,
that's
nagkakapampangan sa life. Kung nga rin walang kapampangan, naghahanap talaga ako ng kapampangan. Sino kapampangan dyan, guys? Ganun. Kasi nauutal ako pag Tagalog na diretso. Thank you, Ariki, for tapping.
And bad times.
Kaya may kakanta ka ako yan. Oh, wait mo. Late kaya kaya. Gets mo.
That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining.
Pag about friends, then,
You can
sige, kailan. Kakantayin ko yan mamaya. Pero in the end.
Cause I tell you
And
that's
then,
what friends are for. For good times, never bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
hi Sutel, hi Jess, ID number Mr. Rex. Anong kahit maputi ng buhok, ang dami niya palang version kay Moira Ray Valera. Ay, hindi, dalawa lang. Saka kay baka may version ka na gusto. Or ayaw niya yung pang sad kay Moira. Masyado kasi sad yan, no? Or kay ano na lang, Ray. O sige, kay Ray na lang. Ako na nag-decide. Diba? Parang umaga na, alam niyo, pag naririnig ko yun, parang umaga na naglilinis ka ng bahay, maglalaba ka, yan yung tugtugan, gano'n, no?
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may tuwang pangarap ko. Makuha mong
Siesta. Nang siesta.
ako'y hagkanat
Nang siesta. Kantahan pang Sunday. Yeah. Hindi. Kantahan pang pang probinsya, guys. Diba? Tulog sa hapon. Yun, totoo. Diba? So, matanda na tayo lahat. So, matanda na tayo lahat.
Ibigin mo kung maputi na ang
Dapat yung new version, guys. Thank you! Thank you, Bindi!
pagdating
Thank you so
ng
much.
araw, ang iyong buhok
Wait lang.
puti
So-
na rin. Sabay tayong mangangat.
Ay, iba ba to? Ay, hindi. Thank you, Bindi! Thank you so much!
Di tayo magbago. At kailan may nasan may tuwang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kayang
Road to 90, guys! Thank you so much. This is just my 4th day. Anytime. Thank you.
Pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much to all of you. Good sky.
Pagdating
Ang tagal na nito. Anong kanta, no? 13 years
Ang
ago.
iyong buhok ay puputi na rin.
Pero di familiar sa akin yung song. Hindi.
Nangarap ng nakaraan natin.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo.
That's the flame ni Ito kasi, medyo inaantok ako. Sa kanta. Sa akin. Thank you so much. The plane. Next in the plane. Thank you guys sa pagod. Tip mo yan kung ganyan. Everyday naman ako magla-live guys. Pwede kayo manood. Thank you Sky again.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi o wala na
Parang ano no, reggae. Reggae ba? Reggae pa to? Tapos na live. Saglit lang naman din ako. Thank you again, Sky. Okay, ito na. The Flame. May nag-request na ito. Oo, 1252 o diba? Mabilis. Guys, mga ano lang naman ako, 1 and 20 or 30, pwede na siguro. Or kahit di nga eh.
all of the night slowly closes in, and I feel so
Pag kasi naman mag-end na ako, dun naman kasi dumadami yung nagpo-comment gano'n.
freezing on my skin. I pretend
Naiiyak ko pag gano'n. Thank, ayun, kay Mr. Bright siya. Extend yan. Kahit kahapon, ay kagabi, 12 a.m. Hanggang 1 lang ako, pero nag-end ako 1:30 yata yun. Kasi ba naman, 500 yung nanonood, tapos nagko-comment sila dire-diretso. Hindi ko talaga may isa-isa. Pero hindi ko na din kaya tiisin yung antok. So natulog na ako, nagbabay na ako.
I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whenever you
Akala ko yung The Flame, yung Flame. The Flame pala talaga. So laging may nagre-request na New Flame. Next natin New Flame. Bet ko to, yung kanta na to. Parang naalala ko yung kabataan ko. Gano'n. Dati kasi sobrang syempre, dadala tayo sa pagiging teenager. Kala natin cool yung tumatakas, gano'n. Pero ngayon hindi. Hindi na ako ganun. Ano na ako?
watching shadows move
Taong bahay.
across the wall.
Pero dumaan ako sa era na gano'n. Like, talaga, tatakasan ko yung mama ko para lang lumabas kami ng mga barkada ko. Minom kami gano'n.
Call, but I've been hit by lightning.
Diba? Sinong di dumaan sa gano'n?
The falling apart.
Lahat naman siguro.
Can't see through the spell across my
Kulit-kulit ko noon. Kasi feeling ko cool yun. Cool yung lalabas ka, diba? Sabi ko sa uso. Ngayon, hindi na ako mapapalabas. Ano na ako ngayon, introvert. Ano na, like, mabilis na malubat yung social battery ko. Ganun.
whatever you want.
Matured na, Pag matanda ka na, mukha ka ng pet. Mukha ka ng work. Ka na, alipin ka na ng salapi, di ba? Kahit yung edad, di ba? Oo. Hindi kasi panganay din ako. Kaya siguro, pag matured na ako, agad ako. Hindi ako nag-stay sa ganun. Talagang dumaan lang ako. Saka matagal na yun, like 16. Tapos nag-stop lang ako sa mga ganun. Ano lang, siguro 18, 19, ganun lang. Basta nung tumapak ng 20, yun na talaga. Wala na akong friends na bawasan na, gano'n. Eto, new play. Next natin. naalala ko yung parang sa umaga maglalaba ka, ganito yung tugtugan, ganon. Sunday, no?
Wherever you go, I'll be with you.
Hulaan, may find it. I think ano, 28.
I'll give it to you.
Not sure, pero ano lang. Hula. Hi, Arman boy.
Lay your heart
Lower or higher?
down. Remember after the fight, after all the rain, I will be the flame.
Secret, 29 or 27, 26. Ako nga 23. Takeda, hi Takeda, hi DJ Marky.
Whatever you want,
Hi Ivan. Pero sa 20s, ayun na lang, sa 20s. Ayan, kaya sige. Kaya bakit mga YouTube, kaya siya mag-reply ko GC me. Dahil namamatay yung ano, kanta. Ayan. Ano, parang naalala ko yung kabataan. Ano makulit. Go.
there can be one only you. And baby, God can never make two. Na 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 na. And I know you can't
Diba?
live
Pag
with
narinig mo, parang nasa bar ka. Pang bar naman to.
but I promise you that it feels like it's just us two.
30 sakto,
Oh, I
sarado.
know what you had planned to do tonight. But I just wanna be the one to do you right.
Nali, nakalak?
We're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. Just came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them they're wrong. Just baby, try a new thing.
Dito mo na ako, ah.
And let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby, love me crazy. Tell me if you ready, baby, come and get it. Try a new thing. Spark a new flame. I can't believe you keep me all alone, baby girl. Where's your lover? Oh, it don't really matter, 'cause I got plans to get to know you better. Baby, let's make what we got here last forever.
Ano pa next?
Girl, 'cause I don't
minutes na
want
ba?
to let you go.
Ay, 1 hour na pala ako.
I don't know what you had planned to do.
1 hour and ano kasi yung paggabi, 30 minutes talaga.
Girl, I just wanna be
Pwede naman siguro.
the one to do you right, right. And we're standing here looking at each other,
31 si ano, si L.
Baby, I
Pero
hope
ano,
that you're thinking about
nilawit yung IG mo lang din, wala mo kay Kapa, 28 mga
Can't find love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them, baby, to try a new thing. Baby, spark a new thing. You gon' be my baby, love me, love you crazy. Tell me if you ready, baby, come and get it. Try a new thing, baby, try a new thing.
Home plate, World Series, our nigga sliding in a baby, I'm a boss, I'm talking
Andito
George
kasi mga
Stein,
kanta ko
Brenner,
eh, sa
Panamera,
cellphone na
Yogi
to,
Berra,
kung ano
Machu
nagbibigo.
Cedar, Derek Jeter,
Maganda yung
got
mga
more strikes
playlist.
than all these niggas, babe, who ballin' in the Beamer, collar on my polo, kisses on my necklace, all my diamonds watching, now my
Hindi
watch is
naman.
getting jealous, smoking on the bomb, and my
Kaya lang
only rap
akong bata.
LeBron's, yeah,
Ayan,
she told
alam
me
ko
I'm the
ba?
one, that's when I only hit it once.
Or Kawani, makanta. Ala.
Baby, try a new thing. And let's spark a new thing. Baby, you gon'
sanay na. Yeah. Pag may sanay na ako man talaga makanta, panay ko lang sa kwarto. Siguro matindi yung pagka-broken mo nun. Kaya hindi ka na nag-jowa ulit. Ano ba? Multa na lang. Pinumulto na ako ng damdam. Dahil. Ay! Pinlay ko na pala to na unti-unti. Ayan na lang. They're now ready. Ready na daw siya ulit mag-jowa, guys. Si Elle.
Unti-unting nalalapit ang ating mga mundo. Nangasay ating bitbit, maligayang walang takot. Ang saya at pagsinta, di na walang
Alam nyo, naalala ko dyan. Magdadagat kami, gano'n. Dati dami ko. Na naman ako
sa ating gawa,
parang naalala ko dyan, nakasakay kami sa bangka, gano'n. Tapos sa dagat, kami pamilya ba? Gano'n.
ang iyong mga salita.
Totoo, ako ngayon. Asan ka man? As in, ako, dati yung post ko sa IG, punong-puno yun ng ng post sa beach lahat.
Nakapansin mo malayo.
Naalala ko may mahal na siyang iba. Diba? O, para sa tuntun na to, para sa tuluyan ka na bang mawawala?
Tuluyan ka na ba mawawala sa'kin?
Parang nature, no?
Naganap sa simula ngayon.
Ako naman, gusto ko Tagaytay at saka beach yun.
Puso tisay na bait, di mo na maibabalik sa una.
Tahimik. Yun daw sa tahimik.
Ang bait at ang sakit ng dating
Matamad ko mag
ngayon ay
Sabi dayo ko na napapansin ng mga
ilagaw.
Barakmik na.
Ang tanong na walang sagot, luwang nadudulot sa ating mga mata.
Sa Bulacan, madaming nature trip. Lalo na sa Rafael. Diba?
Sa gabi,
Wapin. Aligo na yung ay, dati patola ko ng first day ko. Kaya muanan ko ka rin mag-comment. Sikat ng host. Sabi dali ko wala kang papansin ng mga patola ko kasi.
sa puso ko. Hanggang sa muling tayo'y nang magtatagpo.
Alila talaga wala rin naman. Ito guys, ganda lang ng mata. Bakit may naalala rin matama po ngayon? Ito, maganda to. Bet ko dati to, favorite ko. Oh, wow. Wapin. Sabi dapin. Ka rin comment. Nakakit ko. Mabielan eh. May nakita kang matang net eh. Uy, wala mag-net ya ka no. Potang baka makanyan niya kaya kayong camera wa. Ay, yung cellphone na. Matao pa niya. Lalo pang mag-work kayo. Mag-work kaya dat man niya kay. Mas marakal ka tutod. Dapat mas madaming tulog mo.
Because the last time you saw me, still burned in the back of your mind. You gave me roses and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night.
Maganda pala boss mo. Ay, hindi. Tagal ko na nagkakata. Kaya mo lang sinabi yan.
It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around and make it all right. I go back to December all the time.
Hindi. Mula kagabi nagkakanta ako. Ay, thanks for tapping, Secret.
These days I haven't been sleeping, staying up playing back myself, leaving when your birthday passed and I didn't
Sorry na.
Then I think about summer, all the beautiful times I watched you laughing from the passenger
Favorite kayo niya ng kain ng
Realized I love you
senior high.
And then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind. You gave me all your love and all I gave you was goodbye. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in
Baka may
front of you,
patagtag. Ay,
saying I'm sorry
true.
for
Diba?
that
Wala ba?
night. And I go back to December.
Hindi nga, luwa mamumulabog lang. Ikaw, may patagtag ka.
Freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around and change my
Ano daw? Baka daw makatulog siya pag pinagkanta ko siya. Sabi ko, yung iba nabubula kung siya makakatulog. Ay, ito, bet ko pala itong kanta na to. So far pala, ito yung bet ko na na sikat niya. Ay, hindi mo totaling sikat.
your
Medyo
text.
matagal na din.
Your
4
sweet
years.
smile, so good to me, so right. And now you held me in your arms that September night, the first time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably mindless dreaming. But if we
Pagkakanta mo na ako.
whispered love you right.
Wala akong mic. Kung may mic ako, alam niyo naman ako, matapang yung Di naman. Hi, Pedro.
So if the chain is on your door, I understand.
Yeah. Kahapon nagkakanta nga ako, yung matataas, nakakahiya. Sa unang ano ko lang.
You saying I'm sorry for that night, and I go back to December. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine.
Ganyan talaga ako pag nagka-curl ako, guys.
December
Ilan curl? Papatigasin ko muna yung mascara tapos ilang curl. Para matagal sa kamataas.
change my own mind.
Pag sabihin niyo pa ulit.
Back to December all the time.
Eto, bet ko to. Without you. Parang gets mo. Hi, Arky again. Kahit ilan ulit. Malapit na rin matanggal yung pelikita. Ano?
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win
win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you.
Pag nagtitiktok ako, ganyan lang, ano lang, sumasabay lang.
I won't run, I won't fight, I will never make it back without you.
Parang kanina yan, wala. Actually, narinig ko lang yan sa isang friend ko na
I can't rest,
nabetan ko na siya.
I can't
Kailan na nung time na yun, pagod na pagod ako, nag-work ako. Parang, tapos medyo broken pa ako. Tapos yung kanta na, I can rest, I can't win without you, di ba? Ganun lang. Kaya parang ano, pangit din yung pagkaalala ko dun sa kanta na yun. Pero a year ago naman na yun. It was 2025. Diba? I can't win, I can't rest. I will never win this game without you.
Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you.
Hi, Daddy Ransmo.
Without you,
Sobrang boring kaya ng ano ko, live ko kagabi. As in, wala akong cellphone na ganyan lang.
this can't be right.
Counter.
I can't take one more
Basta yan.
sleepless night
Kanta yan.
without you. Without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb if you're not here.
Counter lang.
Without you,
Orange.
without you.
Aalaya ba yan? Kala ko request yun eh.
I'm so blind. I lost my heart. I lost my mind without you.
Counter without you. Sabi ko with you, okay. Medyo nalutang ako dun. Actually, dati pa ako may Bigo. I mean, November pa. Video na lang. True, video na lang, diba? Palitan natin yung without you. May, Bigo na ako noong November pa. Kaso, di ako nakakapag-live ng diretso. Kasi ngayon lang, New Year ako ng diretsyong live.
I am lost.
Kasi nag-a-apply ako. Hi, Javier, thank you. Nag-a-apply ako. Ay, hindi. Nakapag-apply na pala ako. Nagta-training ako as a barista and cashier. So, hindi na ako tumulog. Yun lang. Kaya siguro, tinuloy ko na lang hindi ko. Bet ko kasi yun na yung barista. Like, oo, mahilig ka sa kape kasi mahilig ako talaga sa kape. Kahit
I am
coffee, ganun.
lost. I am vain. I will never.
Ito na lang. Itong mga to, nalaman ko lang itong mga to sa sa TikTok din. Diba yung mga gantong kanta? Ano daw? Feeling ko di ako
Kahit na
pag
walang
dinan.
sinabi ang kinakasama
Bakit
mo.
hindi ka
Payag ka
nagaganon?
sa'kin kahit na
Pag
maging pangalawa ko. Di
Tapos,
mapagmalaki, di mo mapagmalaki. Dapat lang malaman mo. Kahit di kita mahingi dyan sa boyfriend mo.
Hi, Jeff.
Tumatawag ka sa number ko. Alam kung di ka mapakali. Di ka
Paggabi,
mapakali. Na di ako
At least every day.
katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi. Kahit di kita mahingi dyan sa boyfriend mo. Konting oras tumatawag ka sa number ko. Alam kung di ka mapakali. Di ka mapakali. Na di ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi.
Kasi yung aming pagkakaiba malayo sa'kin, wag mo nang ipagkukumpara. Kasi kahit panapalihim to, asang
Hi,
sasakipin
Kaizen.
bahala na mag-invento. Ko nang naririnig mo, alam kong darating. Kahit di na banggitin, lalapit ka sa akin pag siya ay wala pa din. Di man kita makuha, binibigay mo kusa puso mo. Kahit sa kanya naging parang matuga.
Pag sa'king ganito, pag palagi bang nasimulan, di mapahinto. Anong
Wait lang, check
gagawin
ko kagabi na nag-live ako, nakatayo ako, para para balance yung ngalay ko sa pag...
Kaya na malito pa, kasi di ka masaya, kaya ngayon nandito ka. Mahigit dyan sa boyfriend mo, konting huwag ka sa number ko.
Wala ko lang napansin. Yung ano?
Na di ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi.
Ay, ganon. Ano ba yung nilalaro mo? Wala akong alam sa game. I play now.
Di ka mapakali, di ka mapakali. Na di ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi. Nawala lang siya saglit, ikaw ay nandirito kagad. Pag sa'kin malambing kapag ka sa kanya maalat. Di ka salo, di ka bato ng mga kailangan. Yung kulang niya sa'yo, lagi sa'kin mo hinahanap. Naging kahati niya na at panali para dyan sa pagitan nyo. Di malaman pa, bigyan na pamba natin sabi ko tapos iwan mo. Di ka tapos na mahuli, sabi mo mas mabuti. Dahil dun dadali ko laging ganito. Binibigay mo kahit di ko pa hinihingi. Atensyon niya sa'yo nagiging kulang na kasi. Laging patingi-tingi sa'kin mo hinihiling. Lalo pag di na
Rewrite the story.
Pero mas napapadali ang pahirapan niya sa iyong pagpipili. Kaya kakaila sa pagkukunwari na may sagot ka na dati pa sa'kin kahit hindi kita mahingi. Boyfriend mo, konting oras tumatawag ka
Ito
sa...
na lang, sige.
You know I want you.
Dati favorite ko yan ng high school. Dami ko favorite ko. May mga playlist kasi ako talaga ever since. Favorite ko yung
So
kanta,
don't
hindi
you
lang
say
nila
your
favorite.
hands are tied.
Kung nagsasalita lang yung mga
Claim it's
kanta
not in
mo.
the cards. Fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach
Meron pa akong
from
gusto.
me.
Eh, baka alam
So
niyo
here in my
to.
heart,
The Get.
so who can stop me if I
sobrang lungkot
decide
niya.
that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find.
Ay,
It's up to you,
accept kita, El.
and it's up to me.
Wait.
Download the Trip.com app. Save on your first booking. Claim now.
Ayan. Ay, napindot lang. Akala ko. Sorry. Okay, good. Ayan yung... Ay, sorry. Ba't ko napindot? Wait lang. Ano muna? Rewrite this down. Nakakanto ko yan. Ihuli na
You
natin.
know I want you to need mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to
Nakakanto ko
find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
Hindi naman.
You think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you.
Alam niyo yung si Met, ano, hindi ko alam yung tawag. Ano ba yung face niya kapag nasa side na ganito ba din yung ganun? Ganun ako,
know
guys.
you're wondering why. Because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside,
Hi
you're
again,
gonna
Gwen.
wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you're mine?
Hi, Ronald.
Everything keeps us apart.
Hi, Hikari.
And I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you. It's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall
Hi,
with
Ben.
you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible.
Not impossible.
Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the
ako nabibili. Thanks, I'm joking. Nakakatawa din.
It's not a secret I tried to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break in my hands. Our time.
Thank you, Prince. Hi, Prince. Ito na, the gift na. Gusto ko magkanta. Okay lang mo magkanta. Gusto ko kasi may mic eh. Para perfect.
When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by
Go lang kahit wala man.
you're the answer when I pray. I'll find someone, baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more.
Nakakantok lang siya. Hanap ako ng masaya naman.
You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave a love away, and I'm thankful every day.
Eto. Ito matagal na to.
XMC Magic Baby, DJ K. Welcome to Magic City.
Ito oras din.
Come on.
10 minutes left, guys. Mamaya ulit, 12 o'clock lang. Para mabawasan yung live ko sa gabi, diba?
Come on. I remember when I met you. You were standing with your friends at the bar looking so fly. From the hotel suite to the bubbles in the bathtub. No matter what you wanna do, I got your back, love. Let me give it to you, baby, let me rub your back. As a matter of fact, when the lights down low with a beat that slow, I'ma make you lose control. Let me touch them private places. Home run, hit it like 4 bases. Making all them sexy faces. Damn girl, you drive me crazy. I won't stop till the beats drop. Foggy windows in the parking lot.
Hi, Tony. Hi, Sportman.
Dime lo que quieras, cause I make it
Hi,
real
Nick.
hot.
Quiero que sepas que todos los días solo pienso en ti. Eres la reina de mi vida. Mi corazón es para ti. I wanna treat you like a queen. I wanna love you tonight. Sexy lady with the pretty brown eyes. Let me know if you're down to
Let me know, girl.
ride.
Let me treat that body like a playground. From the top of the slide to the merry-go-round. Don't stop till you get enough. Till your eyes roll back and your legs lock up. Ooh, I know you like that feeling when I'm killing that kitty cat and I
Guys,
break your
hanggang
back and
9:10
you're
lang
losing
ako.
breath like a cardiac. Must be that sex maniac in me. Gotta hit it one
Pag
time
ano,
or
pag
maybe 3.
kulang pa
You
yun,
know that I gotta
mag-a-add
make
pa
it
ako
hotter
ng
than 100 degrees.
live.
Now
Basta
tell
na
me
3
one
hours
thing.
eh.
In the
Pero alam
morning
ko
when
kasi
you
hindi
wake up,
naman
what you
nakukuha
wanna
yung
do?
30
You
minutes
get
eh.
said it like more
Pero
than
pag
nobody
nakuha
else
siya,
but
hindi
you.
lang
Quiero
maganda.
que sepas que todos los solo pienso en ti. Eres la reina
Kanina
de
ka pa
mi
naka-live. 1 hour and 20 minutes na.
corazón es para ti. I wanna treat you like a queen. I wanna love you tonight. Sexy lady with the pretty brown eyes. Let me know if you're down to
Check me
ride. I told you lady.
I love you tonight. Let me touch that body in a places that nobody.
Well done, you see boy IYAZ alongside the man JR. Yaga oh. I said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it
Diba? Na-concert ako.
solo. Yeah, we used to be a team, running the
Makakakain na si
streets, was
Elle.
living out a dream.
9:10.
You used to
Sabi
be
niya
my
kakain siya after this
I was
live.
your provider, and now we separated.
Hi,
into
POV. Ay,
oh,
boy
baby,
pala yan.
you left
Remy
and
Boy.
sailed away.
Hi, Nell. Stranger.
And now you got me
me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, I don't want it down, no, I don't want it down, no. I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo.
If kulang pa yun, yung live ko ngayon, araw, magla-live ako, pero sa baba, hindi na dito.
Said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. So you must have been onto my top line. Put us together and you're happy, hit the rewind. See, you gave me a purpose, now I'm getting nervous. That my heart will never sing again. Oh, when we were burning up the airwaves, they knew us from the Virgin Islands to the UK. See, we was on our way to the platinum and gold. Never thought that you'd go, but you did, yeah. Yeah, you did. Oh, and baby, you left and sail away alone. And now you got me trapped up on this island where no way to get.
Hi, Miss Beautiful. Hi, Reggie.
And I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, I don't wanna.
Hi, guys. Hi, ID number.
I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Cause I was so high, I was so low. And I don't wanna walk around alone solo. Said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo.
Ano pa
I
ba?
don't wanna walk it so alone. I don't wanna walk it so alone. Oh no, oh no, I don't wanna walk it so alone.
Hi, Arky. Hi, Enzo. Claudio. Prince.
I want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo.
Anong bet ng kanta?
Before
tayo mag-end.
And I don't wanna walk around alone solo. Said I don't want to walk it again. I gotta do it.
Ay, ito na lang. Sige, pang ano to. Ang sarap kantayin nito, no? Lalo na sa video ko. Yung sabihin niyang hindi. The bottom it's now and never.
I know when he's been on.
Lubat na ako. 3 minutes na. Hi, ID number. Hi, Jaril. Luciano.
And something somewhere's got
Brian, hello, Brian. Ah! Ewan ko dun. Hi, Eliel. Ah! Ano? Ha? Hindi kita maintindihan. Oo, okay lang yun. So, the result will help. Pag kasi kilala mo na yung listeners mo, kung ano pa yung mga gusto nila, and kung anong oras sila madalas nakikinig, mas nakagawa ng content, and mas nagiging organize yung mga program mo. So, the result will help the management and overall university administration sa pag-decide kung paano nila mai-improve yung operations, yung training ng mga students, and overall communication strategies. Hi, O Kent. How are you? Dumating na makeup mo. Ah, oo. Dito na. Gusto makita. Wait lang. Makita ko sa'yo. So, ito yung first. BLK. So, di na ako bumili nung setting spray kasi feeling ko mahal. Ito. All I want is your love. Sige, magli-lipstick tayo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Masira siya. Fucking shit. Thank you so much, okay. Sana sa birthday ko ulit. Sa birthday ko ulit. Matanda na ako. Matanda na ako. Ayoko pa maging matanda. Oh my God, sira na ako siya. Ay, hindi. Kalak sira na. Maganda ba yung no kiss off? Ano no kiss off? Hi Alex. Hi Michael DeAngelo. Pagkasi kilala mo yung listeners mo kung ano yung gusto nila. Importante para mas maiintindihan nila lalo yung mga preferences ng mga tao na kikinig and para maintindihan nila lalo yung mga preferences. Ano? Na lipstick. Anong no kiss off na lipstick? Ano yun? Hi Alex. Hi Gadomski. Guys, baka naman.
natutulungan niya yung mga radio stations, specifically yung TSU Fairfax Radio, para mas maintindihan lalo yung mga preferences ng mga listeners and magamit yung mga preferences nila para ma-improve yung mga programs. Pag kasi kilala mo yung mga listeners mo, kung ano yung gusto nila, kung anong time sila madalas makinig, and mas nakagawa ka ng content and mas organize yung program mo. So the result will help the management sa pag-decide kung paano nila ma-improve. Wait lang. Maybe ko. Saan yung branch ng Fogo de Chao? Anong Fogo de Chao? Ano yun? Hi, Shalo. So, Jack, hello. Importante yung study na to para matulungan yung mga radio stations. Search mo. Ano? Wait lang, sige. Ano pangalan? Fogo de Chao. Ano yun? Wait lang. Oh, ano to? Ano to? Kita ko na, pero ano yun? Resto siya, resto. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Lilibre mo ba ako dito? Okay. Ang ganda, oh. Sa Manila, meron. Sa Makati, Makati ako. Sarap ba doon? Hindi ko pa natatry doon eh. Malapit, medyo, 3 hours. Pero meron akong friends na taga Manila. Malapit lang din siya sa Makati, around 20 minutes lang yung biyahe. All you can eat Brazilian barbecue. Oh, can I try there? Can I? Alam mo yun, angas mo naman. So the result will help the management and overall administration sa pag-decide kung paano nila may improve yung operations, training ng mga students. Hi guys! Oh, wow. Sana all. Oh, wow. So ko rin matry, okay. Hi, Rafi. Ang hina ko ngayon, ha. Wow, sana all. Hi, XXX. Sana all. Ako nga din. Sana maging bisita mo ako. Sana maging bisita mo ako. Importante yung study na to kasi matutulungan niya yung radio station specifically. Hi, Grey Goose! Yung radio station specifically yung TSU Fairfax Radio sa para mas lalong maintindihan yung mga preference pagpunta ko sa Manila kahit tayo. Kailan ka pupunta ng Manila? reference sa mga tao na nakinig ay magamit yung mga preferences nila para ma-improve yung mga programs. Pag kasi kilala mo na yung listeners mo, kung ano ba yung gusto nila and kung ano time sila madalas nakikinig, mas nakagawa sila ng content. Mas gagawa ka ng content na mas naging organized mga programs. So the result will help the management and overall university administration sa pag-decide kung paano nila improve preparations, training ng student in broadcasting. Preparation training. I don't want it to love me. Ganon. Ay, Grey Goose. Ay, nawala siya. Hi, Temptress. Temptress. Hello. Hello, dogs. Dogs. Paano ba yan? Slim Shady is Slim Shady. Please stand up. Please stand up. Hala. Over. Hello, Daddy. Ang hina ko ngayon, ah. Wala, nagkaroon ako ng ano. Nagkaroon ako ng ganyan. Hello! May RR. Kilikili reveals. Oh. Papatuyan niyo na kahit meron na mas makabag na medyo ng balita. Hi, Dibe. Wait lang guys, uulit ako ng live. Hala, dumugo. Dumugo. Slim Shady is Slim Shady. Wala, dumugo. Oh my God. Dalawang kamay daw, ano yan, hold up. Ayoko. Pataas mo dalawang kamay. Bakit ba? Nangungutos ka dyan? Sira ulo ka ba? Nangungutos, kick out natin. malaman ko sino yung nakikinig sa kanila, kung ano yung gusto nila, kailan sila madalas nakikinig ng program, ng broadcast. Pag kilala mo yung nakikinig, kasi sa'yo, mas nakagawa ka ng content of programs and mas entertaining sa mga nakikinig sa'yo. Kapag natapos na yung study and may mga results na magamit nila yung results para ma-improve nila yung quality ng programs and yung delivery ng content. Tulog na ako, la. 7 pa lang ah.
Samigi. Hi, Dragon King. Okay. Hi, Joey Soto. Want to see? Hi, everyone. Hello. Want to see, guys? Hi, Joe. Joseph. Hi, Sam. Hi, Bree. Ooh. Aray ko. Can you give me kiss me, guys? Where are you from, Chris? Guess who? Mahal sila. Sunny Power Dragon Jack. One dragon. I want to see dragon. Hi, man.
Hi, Ronnie. Hi. Can I get one bubble dragon gun? Just one. Hi, what the? Wow, hello. Send me coupons, or I will end them.